Namaste, welcome to Pyramid Vastu Solution. Myself Jamuna Lakshmika, Vedic and Pyramid Vastu expert. Today let's understand how is this really the Vastu is working or not. How is this energy flow is working in our house. So let me explain in detail. Whatever I am explaining, it's already mentioned in our Shastra. Our Shastra is all about clearly mentioned and explained about the energy flow. They are completely explained about the energy flow of the Vastu house. So let's understand. Suppose take this is your compound, east facing side. This is your entrance. Wherever you keep your entrances, so particular they have divided into 45 devatas. So they divide this land into particular 45 devatas. Wherever we keep the opening, that devata's energy will come to us. Suppose if you keep in the east is Indra is there. Indra is the ruler of all the whatever the 9 directions lord we call, direction lord we call. So he is the ruler of that. When we open the Indra's door, we get lot of social benefits. So lot of social connectivity, name fame will be increased, health will be increased. So when you keep a door in the east, okay, so what happens when the energy flow comes like this? So the energy enters, first it will rotate to the compound, okay, then after the compound, wherever is your main door, wherever you have placed your main door, so to that main door all the energy enters like this. Every day this is going to happen. So the energy flow is cosmic energy flow. This is a flow of universal law. Like as I told you in my earlier videos, the universal law of flow of energy is like this. It will enter to the main door is so important. So main door plays a major role where the energy comes from here and accumulates in your Brahmasthana. Okay, the energy enters in your Brahmasthana. From Brahmasthana, all the energy distribution will happen like this to all the 9 directions. Okay, suppose if you have made a toilet in the west direction here, the energy stops here. So whenever the positive energy is not going, so here the negative energy is created here. So what are the benefits that you have to get from this direction, the west direction? Suppose Saturn is a west direction lord, okay? So west belongs to the children's zone, okay? If you made a toilet here, so you will not get any kind of benefits from the west. It's not for one person, for the whole house. This is a problem that you will not get the support from the west direction. So what we have to do? We have to energize here by placing the positron pyramids. So this is going to increase the energy in the west zone. So this is the flow of energy that you can understand. Okay, so Brahmasthana, that's why in the ancient Brahmasthana they were not doing any kind of wall, any kind of pillars was not used in the Brahmasthana. Whatever the area of the Brahmasthana, when you divide your land, the mid place of the land, so they used to leave empty because let the whatever the defect is there, this energy balance will balance. Suppose if you have a northeast toilet, if Brahmasthana is perfect, you can balance the whatever the problem you get, you can balance, you can manage. The Brahmasthana plays a major important role. Imagine that this is the heart of the house, so which is so powerful and so important. Nowadays we make walls, pillars. What happens when you make wall or pillar? Suppose think that you make a wall here. Okay, the energy distribution cannot happen. When there is no wall, it can easily spread the energy. So when there is a wall or a pillar is placed, the energy is obstruct. It is not properly cannot flow. It will not receive proper energy. So energizing the Brahmasthana is so important. So this is all about energizing the form of energy that I am telling. So if you want to know more information regarding this, you can contact the below numbers. So for any kind of Vastu consultation, any kind of land consultation, commercial, corporate, so you can contact the below numbers. Will definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please do not forget to like, share or subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.